In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and add a photo to your Canva design. To get started, open Canva on your device and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home screen, go ahead and open the design you want to work on. This could be a presentation, social media post, flyer, or any other project you've already created. If you have several designs saved, take a moment to choose the correct one before moving forward, so you don't accidentally edit the wrong file. When your design is open, look over to the side panel and click on Uploads. This section is where Canva lets you bring in your own images, videos, and other media files from your device. It's especially useful when you want to personalize your design with your own content instead of only using built-in Canva elements. After clicking Uploads, you'll see the area where your previously uploaded files may already appear, along with the option to add something new. Next, select the photo you want to apply or add to your design. Canva will prompt you to choose a file from your computer or device, so browse to the location where your image is saved and click on it to upload. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, the photo will appear in the Uploads panel and be ready to use in your project. From there, click on the uploaded photo to add it directly into your design. In most cases, Canva will place it onto your canvas automatically. If needed, you can then move it into position, resize it, or adjust how it fits with the rest of your layout. This helps make sure the image looks clean and balanced within the design you're creating. As a quick tip, try to use a clear, high-quality image so your final design looks polished and professional. If the photo doesn't appear right away, just wait a moment for the upload to finish completely before clicking again. Taking that extra second can help avoid confusion, especially when working with larger files. And that's it. Once you've opened Canva, opened your design, clicked Uploads, and selected the photo you want to add, you're ready to continue customizing your project.